Daddy, you forgot the key. Now Daddy was stuck. So we come here to Home Depot to get some help. Right. Come on, buddy. Look at Daddy. Yeah, you got a lock out. It's a handcuff. And
Can you get this handcuff off first, Jim? I've only got one arm, so. How are you doing?
good.
He lost the key.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Can you stick something in there, or?
Let's see.
So Daddy got
If we,
lock.
I'm wondering if we stick a pick in there, will that release that?
You got the lock one. We are at Home Depot. Daddy boy got his thing.
Let's see it, buddy.
Hold up, buddy. Oh, that was faster. Thank you so
There you go.
much, very much. Say thank you, bud. Thank you so much. That was faster. We're done, Todd. You happy, buddy? You got removed?
Don't take it on your hand again.
Don't do it. Now you got removed. Poor buddy. You happy,
You have a
bud?
good day.
Thank you, you too. That was faster, bud. So don't play with that again. Let's go get something what we need to get. You happy now, bud? You got removed from your hand? Yeah, there was sucks from last night. Now you got removed from my body's hand. See that? That's a handcuff.